Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna talk about top 10 expensive birds in the world. So before getting into the video, please take a moment and subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications so you can get updated as soon as we upload the video. So without further ado, let's start the video. Number 10. Northern Cardinal, which is worth 800 American dollars. Small, brilliant red and so filled with life. These little red birds have an intriguing history. Native Americans in some areas believe that they are responsible for carrying messages to our ancestors on the other side. Perhaps that explains the ridiculous cost of buying them. Number 9. Mountain Bluebird, which is worth 850 American dollars. This is something about the near iridescence of the mountain bluebird that draws the eye and holds you there. It's no wonder these small blue stunners are so highly priced. Unlike some of the more high maintenance prices of the list, mountain bluebirds are just fine with a nest box. If you build well and live in the right area, it's possible you might attract a family of these treasures without having to spend almost $1,000. Number 8. Northern Oriole, which is worth 850 American dollars or more. This bright yellow bird is known as a composite species. They have genetic roots in both the Baltimore Oriole and the Bullock's Oriole. Though they are primarily an American bird, these small beauties have made some surprising international trips. They have been seen in Europe and on the shores of Ireland and England. That is quite a trip of such a little fellow to make. Number 7. Scarlet Tanager, which is worth 900 American dollars. These are another North American red bird known for their stunningly red feathers. They don't possess the mystique of their cardinal cousins, but we aren't completely certain why they'd be in such high demand. Certainly they are pretty, but they're hardly peacocks. Our best guess is that they are devilishly tricky to catch. Number 6. Flamingo, which is worth 1,000 American dollars or more. It's no wonder so many people get the plastic variety of their lawns at a cool $1,000 per bird. Keeping the live version is what you might call cost prohibitive. It's alright though, flamingos are happier in wild fogs. The unique pink color comes from their diet of shrimp, and as you might expect, they are very good swimmers. Additionally, a flamingo can fly up to 35 meters per hour. That's fairly impressive for a creature that doesn't exactly look aerodynamic with its long legs. Number 5. Siamese chicken, which is worth 2,500 American dollars. Sometimes it's all about the color. The Siamese chicken is black, not just possessed of black feathers, but literally black to the core. Its eyes, meat, skin, and even the bones are completely black. Pretty much everything but its blood is black. And if a breeder could find a way to make that match as well, we're sure they would. They have been called the Lamborghini of chickens, and the price tag shows it. Number 4. Toucan, which is worth 8,000 American dollars. These birds with their iconic beaks are unsurprisingly in the top 5 most expensive birds. Perhaps it's our love of a certain cereal from our childhood, but whatever draws you to the 40 species of toucans. They are very unique creatures. Toucans are tropical rainforest birds. They are noisy roommates, however, and known for being raspy and extremely loud. So they might not be the best choice as a pet unless you own an aviary. Number 3. Hyacinth macaw, which is worth 7,000 to 40,000 American dollars. The price may be variable, but the indigo beauties stays the same. The hyacinth macaw are known for their blue feathers and yellow cheeks. They are the most coveted parrots in the world and the most threatened according to the IUCN. One look will tell you why. Because these long-lived birds are also known for their brains and disposition. They are easy to train but expensive to house and feed. Additionally, if you choose this rare pet, keep in mind they can crack a coconut with their beak, so they earn the safest companions to have. Number 2. Palm or Goliath Cockatoo, which is worth 16,000 American dollars. These cheeky color changers are stunning in their black and red. The patches on their cheeks quite literally change color when the bird gets excited over something. Though they come from New Guinea, the wealthy of the world keep these brilliant beauties as house pets. With a lifespan up to 90 years, they can outlive their keepers like many larger bird species. Number 1. Racing pigeons, which are worth 90,900 American dollars to 1.4 million American dollars. The most expensive bird on this list is a fairly drab species that isn't known for its music or looks. Racing pigeons have a fascinating history. They have been used by the military around the world to pass messages in the past, and present day races can have big prize money. So guys, these were the list for most expensive birds in the world. Make sure to click that like button if you like the video, and do not forget to subscribe.